So today's topic of discussion is how to stay happy alone. Sorry I'm being late, but no issues. We'll start this. So how to stay happy alone? This is the most commonly asked question, and many followers, many friends were saying ki let's discuss on this topic, how to stay happy alone, and what's your viewpoint, so explain it. So I'll give you a brief knowledge on it as per my knowledge. So how to stay happy alone? Firstly, it's a mindset. To observe things. Happiness की definition is mindset to observe things. The way you observe the things decides your happiness quotient. Okay. For example, if you are observing your marks, or if you are observing your upgradation, if you are observing your work scenario or your promotion or anything in your life, if you are observing that in a productive way, in a positive way, in a very raised way, then it will have a high happiness quotient. So the more you have the mindset to observe the things, the more you will have the happiness quotient, and the more you will be happy. So basically happiness depends on the happiness quotient, और happiness quotient आता है आपका mindset से, कि आप observe how you are observing the things, how you are beginning to look out the things. ऑब्जर्वेशन भी डिपेंड करता है टू एस्पेक्ट्स पे. एक होता है पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट, एक होता है नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट्स, एक होता है न्यूट्रल एस्पेक्ट. इनफैक्ट तीन चीज़ों पे इट डिपेंड्स ऑन थ्री थिंग्स. सो happiness is mindset to observe things. The way you observe the things decides your happiness. Like if you have lost something and if you didn't perform really well according to your mindset, so you will not be happy. Your quotient will not be high. And if you are happy with your performance, if your mindset is, and the way you are observing the things, and you are very happy with this, and you are feeling like uplifted, then your happiness quotient is high and you will feel happy. So it is the mindset to observe the things, and basically this whole decides your happiness quotient. मतलब आप कितना ज़्यादा खुश हो वो आपके ऑब्जर्वेशन स्किल पे डिपेंड करता है. अब ऑब्जर्वेशन कैसे होता है? ऑब्जर्वेशन इज़ बेसिकली डिपेंडेंट ऑन द थ्री थिंग्स: positive, negative and neutral thinking. Positive thinking, like motivated, secondly enthusiasm, third goals and desire. Negative thinking, lost, lack of enthusiasm, and third is pattern of life. And neutral, neither, anyway. So we will talk about this thing, briefly. What happens is happiness depends on your mindset, how you observe the things. The more you observe the thing in a positive way, your happiness quotient will rise and you will be literally happy. And how observation is dependent on the three aspects: positive aspect, negative aspect, and neutral. Positive aspect is influenced by three things: motivated, enthusiasm, and goals and desire. Negative, lost, lack of enthusiasm, pattern of life. Neutral, neither anyway. So I'll set you an example. There's a person A. Okay. He got 70% marks. B got 93% marks. And C got 55% marks. Okay, so these are the marks. A got 70% marks, B got 93% marks, and C got 55% marks. Now let's measure the happiness quotient. B got 93% marks. Instead of 93%, his observation is that he doesn't score really well. He could be the topper, but he stuck to only 93. He should have scored 98% mark. So his happiness quotient is diminishing. His happiness quotient is weak. He is not satisfied. Though it is a good thing, you are not satisfied with your result, but a kind of negativity which you influence in your mind lowers your negative quotient and it impacts your happiness quotient. So now A was expecting around 65%, but he got 70%. So he is elevated by his performance and he is feeling that I got 70% marks, so I am really lucky. I was observing and I was expecting 65, but I scored, so I did well. So his happiness quotient will be high. Now coming to the C category. C person was like, I was not expecting to pass the examination. I was not expecting to get good marks, but no problem. I get 55% marks. I know what to do. So his expression, his observation will be neutral, no changes. So though B scored very good marks, 93% marks, but he is not happy and his happiness quotient is very weak and A is elevated. Why I am setting you this example? Because this leads you to the happiness in your alone time. This is the stepping stone or foundation by which you can make yourself happy by just changing your mindset and observation skills. So that's why I mentioned you in deeply these things. So now we will begin with furthermore advancement of the topic, how to stay happy alone. Where's the duster? So it's all about your observation skills, how you observe the things, how you deal with your daily life, how your mindset is, and what goals you are thinking to achieve in your daily life and in your upcoming lifetime. So staying alone and happy alone is not a very big task. You can really achieve that, but all you have to do is set a perfect mindset and on observation, how you observe the things. Now coming to the alone. First, alone is also distributed in variety of list. First comes is you are single, like relationship wise you are introvert, so no friends or less friends. So this will be behavioral. Third comes you stuck at some point. Where no one guide you, where nobody is guiding you. Fourth, you took some decision and nobody is in support. That's also a kind of alone and loneliness. फिर उसके बाद आता है then comes you are at new place, new office, new workplace, anything new. Like we are in lockdown, so then also at staying alone due to circumstances. And lot many. So these are the basic alone things. Single, which can be like a relationship, a person is not in a relationship and he or she considers himself or herself as alone, so on a relationship basis. Then comes being introvert in nature, no friends or less friends, behavioral aspects according. Then comes you are stuck at some point where nobody is there to guide you, like you have to take decision by yourself and nobody is supporting you, and you are just at the point of your life you are stuck. So that's also alone time. Then comes you took some decision and nobody is in support. Like for many people there is reason that for example somebody has decided to marry the X and Y, but her parents, his parents, all that chaos is happening. So this also a kind of loneliness or alone. Then comes you are at new workplace, new school, new college, new home, anything you can be. So change of orientation also a alone factor. Then comes staying alone due to circumstances, like in COVID we are at a lockdown, these things. So these are the major factors. We will discuss one by one tomorrow on this, because this is a very huge topic, how to stay happy alone, and I am gonna give my depth as much as I can, because it has been asked to me plenty of times. So I'll definitely gonna take it whatsoever, means how many days it will take I don't know, but I'll give you very depth about it so that you can apply this in your regular routine to stay happy and alone. This is very crucial thing, stay happy alone, because this has a very great thing in achieving your goals. This has a very great ingredient. If you are happy alone, you can do wonders in your life. Not being on a relationship aspect I am talking about, in general trend. So these are the things. Single, if you are single means, or you had a breakup, you didn't had a relationship, so this is a kind of a alone factor. Then comes introvert. We तुम्हारे कोई दोस्त नहीं है, नो फ्रेंड्स और लेस फ्रेंड, तुम्हारे कोई दोस्त नहीं है बिहेवियरल एस्पेक्ट की वजह से, सो यू आर इंट्रोवर्ट. देन यू स्टक एट सम पॉइंट वेयर नोबडी इज़ टू गाइड यू. तुम कोई काम कर रहे हो, तुम्हारे सपोर्ट में कोई नहीं है, तुम अकेले पड़ गए हो, वो एक अलोनपन होता है, वो एक अकेलापन होता है. फिर आता है यू टुक सम डिसीज़न, तुमने कुछ डिसीज़न लिया है लाइफ में, बट नोबडी इज़ देयर टू सपोर्ट यू, नॉट इवन योर गुड फ्रेंड, नॉट इवन योर फैमिली मेम्बर, कोई भी नहीं है. वो एक अलोन फैक्टर होता है. फिर आता है कि तुम एक नई जगह पे पहुंच चुके हो, वो कोई भी हो सकता है, तुम्हारा स्कूल, कॉलेज, एनीथिंग. यू आर एट न्यू प्लेस बट नोबडी इज़ देयर टू सपोर्ट यू. फिर है स्टेइंग अलोन. आप काफ़ी समय से अकेले रह रहे हैं, वर्चुअल मीडिया पे बात करने से नहीं होता, आप अकेले रह रहे हैं, जैसे कोविड सिचुएशन आ गई है. सो हम कल एक एक पे बात करेंगे. काफ़ी डिटेल्ड टॉपिक है, हाउ टू स्टे हैप्पी अलोन, बट आई विल मेक इट पॉसिबल कि एज मच एज आई नो, एज मच एज डेप्थ आई नो, आई विल ट्राई टू एक्नॉलेज यू. मैं आप सबको गाइड करने की कोशिश करूँगा, सो दैट यू कैन बी हैप्पी अलोन एंड यू कैन स्टे हैप्पी अलोन. So that's all for today's live session. I didn't know how long this will be and how big this topic will be, but I will cover it and I will finish it off because ये question बहुत ज़्यादा पूछा गया है कि how to stay happy alone. So I will give you a brief update. Today's episode 1 and let's see how long it will take. So thank you so much those who have joined.